Vlogmas day 20. I'm feeling a lot better today and not quite so tight. Yeah, which is nice. They want to see you opening the doors, so you need to, yeah.
But it's very ordinary.
Yeah.
It's not like last year's.
No.
Have you seen that parcel that's arrived for it?
Exciting.
Giant box for Sean Singleton and family.
Yes, I know, but where's it from?
It's from Kellyanne and it's from Clarksville.
Clarksville?
Yeah.
Hey, hey, we're the monkeys.
Is it really?
You know the monkeys, don't you?
I know the monkeys, I don't know Spangles. Apparently everyone
Last train to...
Clarksville?
Am I wrong? Am I right?
I have no idea.
Oh well, perhaps I'm imagining it.
I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce that. Oh dear, it's kind of like airport suppositories again. Sorry.
It's chili. It's got chili in it.
Yeah, this is going to be interesting.
Chili staggered.
Are they squishy?
No,
Oh.
They're very hard. Oh, they smell wonderful.
You got your notebook ready?
And these are going to be nice. They are.
You're going to be busy for a while.
But I'm going to be busy for a while.
He's got a bowl full of leftovers.
Well, I'm not left over. We can't eat.
No.
There's only so much licorice you can eat a day.
Oh, I want to eat a day, yeah.
Oh, this is lovely actually.
Oh, that's good.
I'm salivating.
You are. You can hear it.
It's fan-dabba-doozy.
Oh. There we go. Things are all looking up though. This is good.
Which is a bit like gorgeous.
This is gorgeous.
Oh, they are nice.
He's sounding a bit shocked by that.
They are really nice.
There's yours.
Yeah, we do this bit. Happy Christmas, Peeps. We do this bit in private because quite not very.
Oh, is that the amaretto one again?
Yes.
Yeah, con amaretto.
Amarelli. No, it is amaretti. Yeah, it looks like L's.
Hopefully. It looks it.
Yeah, it looks wonderful. It's going to take a little bit and then I have it after my lunch.
Happy face? Yes, this is good. And
Favourite. I love it.
mine. Oh, I thought it was empty.
Empty box.
Chili hot chocolate. It's the day of chili.
Oh, Daniel like
I was
that.
going to say, ours are following each other, aren't they?
Well, they are made by the same company.
Oh, right.
Maybe they've decided that, well, at least Mum didn't get chili. Well, you like? Have you tried the chili chocolate?
The
You
20th,
like that, don't you?
the 20th is chili.
Chili. Apparently so.
Very
Okay.
nice though.
Have a look at this box. I love the sellotape that you've used. It's sparkly. I'm in. There's more sellotape. I'm in. Miss S. Singleton sewing room under the stairs. Oh, it is. It's a Hogwarts envelope.
I like that.
You're a wizard, Harry. Make it so. That's amazing. That is so cool. I will show you, promise. There's the letter. Merry Christmas, Shroud.
That's clever.
I really don't think you have any idea what a wonderful thing it is that you've been doing with your vlog. You welcome us into your home, you share your family and your life, and you share your love of sewing, all the while not hiding behind a false front. I think it's fair to say that you make each of us feel that we are sitting with a bestie having a cuppa. You somehow show us all that we are special and have our own unique talents, and that making a mistake is not the end of the world. Your "ask me how I know" quote is repeated every time I have to unpick something. Mum was doing that yesterday. And the funniest thing is none of us would have ever met without a wonderful thing we call YouTube. You have let us know that it's okay to be a 52-year-old Harry Potter crazed Potterhead, that it's okay to spend hours a day pursuing fabric websites, that it's okay to binge watch TV and sew to our heart's content, and it's okay to let our geek flag fly high and proud. The greatest thing is that there is someone in this big world of ours who is just as addicted to fabric as I am, lol. Sean, know that you inspire us each and every day. Merry Christmas, and I hope you have as much fun with your gifts as I did finding them. Kellyanne. Okay, I know. That's lovely. That's really, really lovely. Thank you. Let's see if we can get this card to focus, because this is seriously awesome. And it's a KMK Designs. Ah, there we go. Look how awesome that is. That's so cool. Thank you so much. Oh wow. So there's knitting patterns for mum already. Oh, and a quilting book. There's licorice. I'm guessing these are for mum.
Is that Willy or Wiley?
Look. Wiley.
Wiley.
Looks like it's Australian. The bread maker's just gone off. It smells amazing. So this is from Kellyanne. And these are the first things that came out, and I believe they're for you. But I think she's put in a paper clip, because
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
it's a really nice jumper. I think that looked really nice on you as well, with the skirts that you've been making.
Ooh, I like that. You're a clever girl, aren't you?
I think, yeah, that one, both for both of us. Because it's got a nice point on it as well, so it's not just boring stuff.
And I could make it a bit less
Yeah.
long if you
Yeah, no, I think it's very nice. What are you going to see?
like
I'll get the
that.
ringside seat, do I?
Apparently so. I've got to move in the way. And then, I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, it's
Oh, dress
quilt template. Oh, pieced baskets. With pin. Ooh. Fancy dress templates. So
It's exciting.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
And then that's the licorice. I'm guessing this one's for me and this one's for Dad.
Well, I sort of guessed that when I saw it, actually.
But it's, what I love is this parcel's from America, but look,
Oh,
look.
Well, Australian style.
Australian.
Yeah, soft and chewy. That looks extremely promising, actually.
Sean, you may be wondering at this candy, but this is the taste of my childhood. My grandmother always had this candy at Christmas. Old-fashioned hard candy. I recognise these as well.
Can we have a look?
Oh, there is a note. Thought you might like.
Oh.
Yeah, I was right, it was for you. Russell's Stover milk chocolate caramel. Well, I'm guessing that's for me because they're not fans of milk chocolate. Oh, Susie. Oh, she's been nice. And it was delivered by a chimney from Santa. I like those labels. I like those labels a lot. That actually doesn't feel like food, that feels like a toy, so we could safely put that under the tree.
Yep.
I think there might be some biscuits in one of the parcels under the tree because she keeps sniffing them.
Well, yeah.
Godiva Masterpieces, Milk Chocolate Caramel Lion of Belgium. Again, I think that one's for me. Oh.
Really? What makes you think that?
Milk chocolate. Oh, there's 4 pieces. Premium milk chocolate truffles. There's ones I'll share. Oh, look. There's 3 of those. There's 1 for each of us.
Ah, surprise, surprise. You understood that. There is 1 for each.
Yes. To Danny from Kellyanne. That's going to have to go under the tree.
Yes.
Me.
But I can feel and guess. Well, I can feel, but I can't guess.
No. It's for Mum.
Oh, thank you.
I love the little labels. They're very cute.
They're lovely.
Chiana, she has been naughty and it's been delivered through the front door. It's about right. That also feels like it's a toy.
It's not a dead mouse.
I think it might be a dead mouse, but of the stuffed variety. Danny.
Oh.
Me.
Oh, all this second guessing. I'm going to be well behaved
Me.
and not.
And this one for Mum.
Oh.
So we're going to put all of those under the tree, but we are going to eat all the chocolates.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much.
Looking for the instructions now.
And
This one's not wrapped. We
you
could
can eat
actually
that
open this one.
Yeah, I think all the edibles are to be eaten now. But yes, we will.
I love the bow.
I know. I'll be filming on Christmas Day us opening all of our presents as well because there are a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Happy Christmas. What's in there?
I'm opening.
I know.
Oh, very traditional candies.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. That would be my next make, I think.
My camera battery died as we were finishing opening up that present. So thank you so much, Kellyanne. That's very, very kind of you. I'm feeling so much better, believe it or not. I don't look any better and I don't sound any better, but I'm feeling a lot better. So fingers crossed I shall sleep well this evening and wake up tomorrow and be back to myself. That would be nice. In time for Christmas, that would be good. Again, thank you to everybody for all of your home remedy suggestions and things like that. I have been taking a few of them. That's a cup of hot lemon, ginger and honey there, which has definitely helped. And I have a small pile of different types of drugs back there, and they've been helping too. I'm gonna leave it again here today because I think it's 6 o'clock and I'm not gonna do anything other than sit here. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodnight and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.